Yeah. But he said if he comes up, he wants to be able to take him home, you know? And I need to do a home check on, I can't just let a dog go to...
Cocoa Beach is less than 3 hours.
Is it?
Yeah, straight up 95.
Look at the spots on that. What are you doing? What are you doing, Pop?
Yes, east of Orlando.
Why? Ooh. Is it your area?
Yeah. East of Orlando. It's like 2.5 hours.
Puppies. I want to see puppy face. Good baby. Come on, us. Come on, us. See, everybody's peeing and pooping. Go pee-pee. Go pee-pees. This is not a good video. I'm not getting any faces. I'm getting gravel.
Yeah, we want to see them like run, play, count.
Oh, they're all coming. Everybody wants to be on camera. Say, I want to be on film. I want adopted. I want to get adopted. Come and get me. Come and get me too. Oh. Oh. What? Come on. Hi. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi. Come on. You want to come up? Oh, good. Boo-boo. I was going to say good boy. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. What? There's puppies everywhere. There's puppies. 5 beautiful puppies. Need homes. Little lab mixes. These babies were found in Miami on the road with no mommy, little orphans. We took them in, and we're trying to get them all little homes. Come on. Say, please pick me. Please, I pick me. Hi, kitty face.
Go get your spot.
Here. Ooh, go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Hello. Hi, gorgeous. Hey, gorgeous.
They got one up.
Fighting your leg.
That's all puppy bites. Yeah.
Go get your brothers and sisters. Go play. Go play.
Hi. What are you digging?
Oh, look at this one already digging.
What are you digging?
Belly.
They don't know where to go first.
I know. Balls everywhere.
You're fluffy. You got a different kind of hair. You fluffy. Like a pillow. Yep, your hair's different.
It is.
Are these males?
So you gotta do your
Girl.
belly. Oh,
That's a boy.
This one's a girl. Who's this one?
What's that one?
Oh,
That's a boy.
How about this one?
That's a boy.
That's a girl. What's this one? Oh, it's a girl.
It's the little girls.
And this one's a girl.
And another little girl.
Hi, itty bitty. Hi, itty bitty. Hi, itty bitty.